make everything from scratch. We don't buy anything. Basically, we process everything here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to cook for everybody. We started making these empanadas along other food items in '93, so you kind of know what they want to eat. In other countries, the thing changes. Like Colombian empanadas, they make a lot of potato. I would call it potato empanada because they just sprinkle beef on it. If you go to Argentina, they make a lot of beef empanada, but the ham and cheese, they buy a lot of ham and cheese empanadas. Everybody has their own, so I have to make for everybody. The process is we make the dough, then we fold it here, we put it in the cooler to relax the dough, and then we stretch it, and then we cut it. I have my ice water here. We're just gonna dump it in the mixer. And we're gonna split this dough in 3 trays. This is one piece. Fold it, one fold, and another fold. This was my gym. I used to stretch all this dough with this. 1993. So now I use machines. I become lazy. So we start sheeting the dough here, and basically we're thinning the dough. We call it tapas here. Are the tapas for the empanadas. We arrived to this product, a little empanada folding class here. You can do this with a wonton wrapper, any dough you can do this pretty much. So you press and you fold. But this you press again. And you grab this little ear and then you press. And you go like this. And we go. This just takes practice. You see, hers are prettier than mine. We can bake here about 75 empanadas at one time. When we open the store in the morning, we put about 300 outside to start. This is some other product we make here. They're called tamales, which basically is we ground the corn and then we season it. These ones are gonna be chicken tamales. About 400 tamales out of these 6 trays. So mainly we make here the empanadas, the tamales, some smoothies. Saturdays a pork sandwich. Sometimes we make desserts for the weekend.